This thing sucks.
What field?
I miss my old gear. I'll be set up right now. It's all in Virginia though. Just like my duck is.
Yeah.
Wait.
What are you attacking?
Huh?
What are you attacking?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure the building, like all the way at the end.
That building? That building?
Not this one.
Alright, yellow team, come here! You guys gotta stay away from that shotgun.
Thank you.
I want that.
I want a shotgun.
It's not a shotgun. Something better.
It's a grenade launcher.
I wish I had a grenade.
Thank you.
I just like the gun itself.
Why do I feel like
I'm gonna throw a grenade, then you guys just bum rush him. Simple.
Hey, let me cross, let me cross.
Go, 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 go!
We got one downstairs. Watch out, watch out. Hey, can you cover me while I cross?
Are we in here?
No. Well, yes, hey, yes, they can't leave that building.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah, they can't see that one.
cover me on the cross over there, right? They're in the top building middle. Ready?
Which side?
Mostly in the middle. 3, 2, 1.
It's clear, it's clear, it's clear. Hey, top floor, top floor.
Clear! Hey!
Everyone good?
Yo.
All right, good? Yeah, I know.
We're good. Hey guys. What's up? Where are y'all?
I was up there.
I was in there.
After I covered you, I stayed here and I like held them in. I shot 3 people from that second building.
Yeah.
From 2 people
My
in there and
rifle
1
fucking
person in the
died.
window.
My rifle fucking died in the middle of the match. And I was like,
Man.
I gotta go.
Yeah, I got over there. I was like, man, I'm tired. All this running. Hey, Raph. Are we allowed to exit the building at all?
I would suggest not because you only have one life.
Just say yo to me.
Hey, YouTube.
That's not very smart,
Hey,
sir.
YouTube. Love you.
You know what else is very smart?
Can't do that inside. It's a fire hazard.
I'm scared.
Stick your hand, please.
No balls.
I'm not, my fingers, okay. Too much responsibility. I choose not to accept. That's one down.
We have 4 people running on the right side of the woods. Right side of the woods. Left side by the concrete. There's 1 people on the right side of the concrete. That's it. Face right in the spawn. Hey, I need to hold this right now.
Yeah, I've been watching. I haven't seen anything important.
There's a guy on the southwest cargo jet.
Hey, you just hanging out there? Okay.
Right?
Yellow in the woods.
We got a lot of people on right side. They're shooting into. Why are you fucking?
Right there. I got one. One's down.
We got 5 people on the left side of the building.
Copy. He's dead. He's dead. Right here. See him?
Yeah, I see him running.
Hey, he's down.
I got him.
Woo, shit.
They're in. Are they in? Yeah.
Hey, enemies in our building. Enemies in our building downstairs.
Are you sure they're downstairs? That's me.
Hey, we got.
Are we safe? They're all the way down there, yeah.
Yeah, there's like 5 over here.
I can't see them through this window.
Watch out, watch out. Move. Don't open that window. Don't open that window. Call your head, motherfucker. Hey, blue mask, call your head. There's right here on the concrete barrier. He's not calling his damn head. None of these kids are calling their head. I just shot him in the face.
All right, heads down, thumbs up.
No cheating.
No cheating. I'm looking. All right, heads up.
What was that?
Aren't the traders supposed to know who each other are?
I heard him go over here.
No.
Mine all right now.
Don't.
No. So don't shoot your other trader by accident.
Well, how do you know if the other?
Exactly.
Okay, whatever.
It'll make it a little difficult.
Okay, whatever.
If you find out who the traitor is, you can't shoot the traitor. Traitors, you have one life, all right? Everybody has one life, okay?
Oh, God.
As soon as you get out, you come back here, all right? If the traitor gets out, if you get both the traitors out, so both traitors come out, just let me know.
Can I use your gun? I'm joking.
Hey, if you want to.
Once one team gets
You want to?
eliminated, that's the game.
I'm good.
All right, makes sense. Anybody have questions?
You're gonna use.
There's no point of using the sniper in TTT, is there?
I mean, not really. Do you want to use it? Because I'll use it for you.
Alright, you can use it.
Do you want to use mine?
Yeah. Oh, never mind. I found out.
Yeah, this hop up is fucked.
I don't even know where you shot.
Alright, the hop up is all the way off.
Off?
Yeah. This thing sucks. What? Your thing twisted off.
Look at the muzzle.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, no, that's the end of okay. Not the big one.
It's just not shooting at all. It's just not shooting. There's ammo in it. See? I need a jamming rod. You got a jamming rod?
In my case.
Let's go back then. Here, let's go this way. Huh?
Oh, never mind. I see Doom guy walking in.
What's the game mode? Okay. Yeah, we're in yellow. Okay, let's go. Perfect. Dude,
I see Derek.
where's he at?
He's right here in some of the woods. Their whole team is in their building. Like we've already wrapped around.
I got one!
What?
Yeah, I got one of the little kids in the spawn.
Where from?
The door on the right side. I'm out of ammo. Hey, you got a speed loader? Thank you.
These are not.
That's fine. That'll probably work better.
I like this gun. I kind of used up all your mags.
Damn, dude.
I got like.
That's kind of how it goes with McCats.
I kind of got like 40.
You got a kill with it, right?
I got like 40 kills.
Yeah.
And the
So
hop
it's
up's
shooting,
working.
like,
Hop up's
straight.
working better.
Yeah, it's shooting straight now. You gotta use 2.8s. You're using 2.8s in that,
I'm
right?
using 2.5s.
Those are 2.5s?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's shooting straight for 2.5.
I'm doing Macarena mode.
Macarena mode?
Get on the bottom.
Hopefully this goes well.
It's.
I'm with you. How you doing over here?
That's the sound of a dying battery.
Okay. There's 2 on this wheelbarrow right here, right?
Is that what?
2 on the wheelbarrow.
Wow. I'll go to the right side of the building.
Okay.
Right side. Battery died.
Oh god.
Go?
Yo.
Okay.
Alright then, that's only. Yellow. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hey, Reg is out.
Yep,
Reg
yep,
is out,
yep.
Reg is out, Reg is out.
Watch out.
You good?
My gas is running out. I ain't got no gas.
Here, you got gas?
Yeah. Thank you. Ow! Hit. I got shot in the finger. Yeah. The gas kept running out, so I just kept flicking them.
I saw you do it once whenever I first came on. I was like, damn, he's nasty with it.
Yeah. I ran out of gas. I haven't filled up. I forgot to fill up the gas on. So I ran out of AK ammo because I only brought like 2 mags. And then the sniper just sucks, so.